Hey Martians, how's it going? Welcome to version 2 of our semester. You saw my really bad joke about how it was already all distance learning since it was Mars anyway. Um, so this is going to be a real quick update, and then you're going to start seeing a lot more stuff showing up um, on the Google Classroom site. I have been putting together some assignments and thinking about the structure of what we have left and trying to think about ways that because we're a smaller class, we can stay a little bit in touch with each other, even though I think we're scattered around in all different situations. Um, like you can see, I'm actually not on campus because things have changed a little bit since you guys left. And so I'm planning to mostly work from home. So hopefully this is going to go okay. We're all going to be super flexible. I wanted to let you know that today I'm going to be shooting another video about geologic maps, and that's going to be going up shortly. And that I've put up an assignment about the museum. I'd love to get some ideas about that. I'm hoping to get some grading back to you guys in the next couple of days about the projects that you've turned in once I get sort of the content for this week pushed out. I'm also going to be giving you a reading assignment in The Martian, and it's not funny. I shouldn't be smiling. But one of the things that struck me is that we're now all sort of in a similar situation where we're sort of isolated and only able to communicate by, sort of video and email. So things have taken a little bit of a strange turn. Um, So I am going to be giving you a reading assignment, and we're really focusing on geologic maps this week and next week because I want you to be able to start using them on your own. And I'm going to show you some resources for how to find them. And what I'm going to show you in the video today is how to interpret a geologic map when you have it. And also, I'm giving you an assignment to complete that tracing paper map that we started in class when we weren't running around campus looking at meltwater. I'm giving you an assignment to complete that. And um, so we're going to be using geologic maps. You're going to be working on your own. And then I'm going to be posting an assignment uh, later today or possibly tomorrow um, that is a story or sort of a cautionary tale about geologic maps and rover locations and interpretations. And that's working toward our goal at the end of the semester about proposing where the next rover should go. And so that's something that over the next couple of weeks, we're going to be looking at the rovers and their landing locations and how those sites have been picked and what the really big questions about Mars are, which turn out to be a lot of the time really big questions about Earth. Um, so I I'm gonna try and keep this pretty short so I can get the other video done and uploaded. I'm gonna try not to be doing too much of this like webcasting with me in the picture because not my thing. I hope everybody's well. I really miss being able to come into class and like check in with people about how things are going or answer questions or just hear what you're talking about. So I kind of miss the classroom energy a little bit, or more than a little bit. So this is going to be different. And I think we're going to have a few sort of mechanical pieces to work through this week. I'm sure not everything's going to go correctly right off the bat. I'm not too worried about it. We'll just readjust timelines and expectations as we need to. Um, but I'm looking forward to hearing from people. I invited you all to a G chat. I'm gonna open that up at 1:15. You might see me eating lunch because I haven't quite gotten there yet today. If you have questions, and I am going to post a schedule of like more regular G chat / office hours coming up later. If those don't work for you, email me and I'll try and get back to you. I can't promise to be on the computer all the time. The rule in my house is that everybody has to go outside twice a day. think you should too. Everybody knows I'm a big fan of getting out and moving around. So, hope everybody's doing well. I'm sorry that we're not all on campus talking about stuff in person and pulling down maps from shelves and walls and looking at them and comparing them. But we're going to make this work, and I think it'll be really interesting. And just please stay in touch and let me know if you have any questions. All right, thanks.